Have you ever wondered why some landing pages make millions while others barely make a single sale? It's frustrating, right? You spend hours building a page, you think it looks great, but somehow no leads, no sales, and no growth. The thing is, the difference between a page that makes $1 and one that makes $100,000 comes down to just three critical factors. And today I'm going to show you exactly what they are. Over the last 10 years, I've helped hundreds of business owners optimize their funnels, reduce their ad costs, and generate thousands of leads and sales profitably. And every time, the difference between success and failure came back to these three things. In this video, you're going to discover why structure makes or breaks your page, how conversion optimization multiplies your results, and why your offer is the real secret to hitting 100,000 and beyond. And by the end, you'll not only know how to fix a broken landing page, you'll know how to build one that can print money. So let's dive in. Point number one, structure. Most landing pages are chaotic. They confuse visitors instead of guiding them. Here's how to fix it. A $100,000 landing page has a clear structure that feels familiar and trustworthy, like a strong headline and hero section, a logical flow through benefits, testimonials, offers, and call to actions. A strong landing page has a story that leads people naturally towards taking action. Think about it. Every page you trust, maybe it's built on Shopify or it's built on ClickFunnels or maybe even an Amazon product page, it uses a familiar layout, right? It uses a layout that we trust and we recognize. So for your pages, stick to a proven structure. There's really no need to reinvent the wheel, and your page should feel like home to your audience. It should feel familiar. But take it from me, structure alone is not enough. Even if you make your page beautiful, it can still flop if you miss this next piece. And so the second thing is conversion optimization. The problem is even a structured page can fail, and if they're not intentionally designed to drive action, then they're just not going to do the job. Every pixel, every word, every section must pull your visitor towards your goal, whether that's a lead, a registration, or a purchase. Optimized pages do three critical things. They nail the hero section for both mobile and desktop view. Your copywriting should be simple and emotional and action-driven, and your pages should be pretty quick and load very, very quickly, because otherwise you're just going to lose people. My suggestion is to obsess over your hero section, especially on mobile. It's the first thing people are going to see, it's prime real estate, and it's the most important section. Use powerful, relatable headlines. Simplify what you're going to say. Cut anything that doesn't lead towards an action, and prioritize speed. A slow page is a dead page. But even if you nail your structure and you optimize the hell out of your page, there's still one thing that'll make or break the entire success of your campaign: the offer. And I think this is obvious. We've seen this a ton. No landing page, no matter how pretty, can save a weak offer. You need an offer that solves a big, painful problem that your audience urgently wants to solve, not a nice to have, a must-have. High converting offers solve high stakes problems people stress over. They're priced appropriately, so cheap offers feel cheap. Big problems deserve real solutions and must be priced appropriately. They're validated by testimonials, proof, and trust signals, and we'll get into that at some point. Now, how to fix it? Ask yourself, am I solving a tiny $10 problem, or am I solving a $10,000 problem, or maybe even a $100,000 problem? Do you have proof that this works for real people? And ask yourself, are you signaling value and trust from the very first second that people see your page? When you stack a powerful offer on top of optimized structure and relentless conversion focus, you don't just make $100,000, you build an asset for your business that can scale forever. The thing is, even if your landing page is perfect, none of it matters if you're not driving the right traffic to it. So watch this next video where I'll break down how to get high quality traffic that actually converts without wasting a fortune on ads. So go check that out now.